Hey everyone, it's Ben. Look, let's be real for a second. Achieving true financial freedom, where money is no longer a worry, and you're living life on your terms, that's the dream, right? But, statistically speaking, very few people actually get there. And that's because they're stuck in the same cycle, following the same outdated advice. But here's the good news. It doesn't have to be that way. There's a proven blueprint to design your life around financial freedom. And today, I'm breaking it down in 7 actionable steps. Now, you might be surprised that I'm starting with step number 7, but trust me, this is crucial. We're flipping the script because most people get this part wrong, and it sabotages their entire journey. So, are you ready to rewrite your financial future? Let's do this. Step 7. Build your financial safety net, your emergency fund. This is the foundation upon which everything else is built. Imagine your car breaks down, you have unexpected medical bills, or lose your job. Without an emergency fund, you might liquidate investment or rack up debt. Save 3 to 6 months expenses in a high-yield savings account. Start small. Even $50 a month adds up. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Okay, now that you understand the importance of an emergency fund, let's talk about the second most common mistake people make: procrastination. They wait for the perfect time to get started, maybe when they get a raise, or when they have more time. But here's the thing, the perfect time doesn't exist. There will always be another bill to pay, another distraction, another reason to put it off. The key is to take action now, even if it's just a small step. Remember, you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Open that high-yield savings account today. Set up an automatic transfer, even if it's just $10 a week. The momentum you gain from taking action is far more powerful than any excuse you can come up with. Don't let fear or uncertainty hold you back. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take it now and never look back. Now that you're taking action, it's time to get crystal clear on where you're headed. This is your roadmap to financial freedom. Think of it like a road trip. You need a destination and a plan. What does financial freedom look like to you? Write down your goals. Map out the route to achieve them. Stay focused and make smart financial decisions. Remember, failing to plan is planning to fail. Alright, let's talk about putting your money to work for you. You see, simply saving your money in a savings account won't cut it in the long run. Inflation will slowly eat away at your purchasing power. That's where investing comes in. Investing is essentially buying assets that have the potential to increase in value over time, like stocks, real estate, or index funds. Think of it as planting seeds that will grow into a money tree. The earlier you plant those seeds, the more time they have to grow and compound. Now, I know investing can seem intimidating, especially if you're new to it, but it doesn't have to be complicated. Start by educating yourself. There are tons of resources available online, like Investopedia, or even free courses offered by reputable institutions. Remember, you don't need to be a financial expert to get started. Start small, diversify your investments, and most importantly, be patient. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. The key is to stay consistent and let the power of compound interest work its magic. Master your spending. Lifestyle inflation kills wealth. Here's the deal. You can earn a six-figure salary, invest like a pro, but if you can't manage your spending, you'll always be chasing your tail. It's like trying to fill a bathtub with the drain wide open. Lifestyle inflation is a silent wealth killer. It's that sneaky tendency to increase our spending as our income grows. We get a raise, and suddenly we need a nicer car, a bigger house, or more expensive vacations. The key to financial freedom is to break free from this cycle. Track your expenses religiously. Use budgeting apps, spreadsheets, or the good old-fashioned pen and paper method. Identify areas where you can cut back without sacrificing your happiness. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself. It's about being mindful of your spending and aligning it with your values and goals. Ask yourself, does this purchase bring me closer to my goals or further away? If it's the latter, it's time to reconsider. 2. Create multiple streams of income. Diversify and scale. Let's face it, relying on a single source of income, especially a job, is risky. It's like putting all your eggs in one basket. What happens if you lose your job or your industry takes a hit? That's why it's crucial to diversify your income streams. Think of it as building multiple pillars of support for your financial house. The more pillars you have, the stronger and more stable your financial foundation will be. There are countless ways to create additional income streams. You can start a side hustle, monetize your skills online, invest in rental properties, or even start a small business. The key is to find something you enjoy and that aligns with your skills and interests. Remember, building multiple income streams takes time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. It gives you financial security, flexibility, and the freedom to pursue your passions without worrying about money. Stop trading time for money. The job trap. This is the ultimate goal, breaking free from the time for money trap. Most people trade their precious time for a paycheck, working long hours at jobs they may not even enjoy. It's a recipe for burnout and financial stagnation. True financial freedom is about building assets that generate passive income, money that flows in regardless of whether you're working or not. This could be rental income, dividends from investments, or income from an online business. Now, I'm not saying you have to quit your job tomorrow, but it's essential to start thinking about how you can build passive income streams that will eventually replace your active income. This is how you achieve true financial freedom. The ability to live life on your terms without being chained to a job. Remember, building wealth takes time, effort, and discipline. But by following these 7 steps, you'll be well on your way to achieving financial freedom and living a life of abundance and purpose. So there you have it, the 7-step blueprint to design your life around financial freedom. Remember, this isn't about getting rich quick. It's about making smart, strategic decisions that will set you up for long-term success. Start with building your emergency fund. Take action today and never stop learning and growing. The journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. But with dedication and perseverance, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these steps resonated with you the most? What action will you take today to move closer to your financial goals? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching.